What's up guys, I'm Grant with Quake, and if you're watching this video, we're sorry. So we did produce a batch of 7-inch headlights where the H4 pin that comes out the back was pinned wrong. So you might have just your low beam or just your high beam or vice versa. The headlight might not work. If that's the case, we 100% admit we messed up. You can reach out to us and we'll get you a new set. However, there is a very quick 30-second little thing that you can do to re-situate those pins on the back of the light so it becomes operational. So if you want to get your headlights up and running, it's really a simple thing that you can do. So we're going to just show you exactly what you need. All you need is this little flathead screwdriver. So on the front of the H4 prong, you'll notice that on each of the spades, there's a little gap. And so all you're going to do is take the flathead screwdriver and you're literally just going to push it into that little gap and then push the pin out with your finger. So you'll feel yourself depress a pin on the inside and then literally you barely even push and that pin will come right out the back. So we're going to do that with all three to totally isolate this plug itself, and then we're going to put them in the proper order. So you can see how easy I got all those out. When you do push that flathead screwdriver in, you'll notice on these little spade terminals, there's a little metal locking tab. I push that back out just a little bit so it securely locks into place and you don't have to worry about depinning when you plug it into our harness adapter. So essentially we have these three wires on the back. So we've got the black and white, which is the ground, we've got the white, which is the low beam, and we have the red, which is the high beam. This is indicated by a little sticker on the headlight itself, and then there's a little wiring diagram that goes with it too. So essentially, looking at the back of the plug, we're going to then put these wires in the proper place. So at the back of the plug, it is on the bottom left is going to be the negative wire. So we're going to go ahead and literally just push that into place, pull it through on the front side, and you'll hear it click and lock into place. At the top is going to be the low beam. The low beam is that white wire. So we're going to go ahead and push that in, pull it through on the top, and it clicks into place. Last wire, guys, high beam. So that's going to go in the bottom right of the plug, making sure that we put it in with the locking tab to the inside. And you'll push it in. Here, click into place. So it's literally that easy, 30 seconds and you can repin your headlight. As we said, we apologize, we made this little mess up. Like I said, we will go ahead and get you a new set with this already done if you don't feel capable of handling it yourself. Otherwise, literally 30 seconds and you can get your headlights operational. So once again, we apologize, but that's how you repin the headlight on an H4 plug. Hopefully you're not too mad at us. No, okay. But enjoy it, and that's it for now.